Hi everyone. I've been wanting to start something for a while now, and now that I'm taking this business more public and creating an online community, I thought that this would be the perfect place to do it. So it's a monthly series I call the 12 Habits of Highly Successful Practitioners. You know, they say positive habits form positive actions, which, then change our reality. And that's really exactly what we're going to be doing here. Each month we'll tackle a new habit together that's really going to help us grow in our lives and in your practices and our businesses. And so this one, the first one I want to introduce, is going to start us right at the very beginning. And that's waking up earlier. Waking up earlier is the single most common habit I see, like world leaders, successful CEOs, they all have it. And it's because it allows you that quiet time before like the hustle and bustle of the day to really focus without distraction, have some time to yourself, and honestly get shit done. I find in our lives, like it's so common to feel rushed. Like we feel rushed to get ready, rushed to get to work, rushed to, see our first patient, then, get home and rush to try to squeeze in exercise. Like we're moving at such a pace all the time, and getting up just 30 minutes earlier, I'm not talking hours, gives you more time to get these things done, but it also like slows down the pace and really sets the tone for your day. So we're feeling like more happy, more positive, more accomplished. And if you're getting more done while feeling these things, like I can almost guarantee that those feelings will then, turn into reality. And that's the whole point, right? We want to make ourselves the best practitioners and people that we can be with these really healthy, positive habits. So how are we going to do this? It's going to be baby steps, my friend. Like, I'm no rip the Band-Aid off kind of girl when it comes to forming a new habit. I know myself, and I need to inch my way into something new for it to stick long term. And actually, studies show, like, I'm not alone on this, right? Slow, gradual change makes you more likely to stick with a habit long term. And that's exactly what we want, right? So we want these habits to stick. So this month, here's how it's all going to go down. Take a minute, number one, take a minute and consider for yourself like why you want to commit to waking up earlier. Is it so you have time to work out, actually, make yourself breakfast, perhaps lunch too? Is it so that you have time to read? Is it so you feel less rushed, get more work done? Like whatever it is, figure out what your why is for this month. Like really think about what your motivation is. When you figured that out, ask yourself why like at least 2 more times so that you really dig down just below that surface level to that deeper motivation of why you want to get up earlier. And when you feel like you know your ultimate why, write it down. I like a sticky note. I have it on my mirror in the bathroom. Mine says, I feel my best when I have me time in the morning. And I do. So I keep a reminder for myself. I really highly suggest you do it too. Number 2, I would download the habit tracker sheet I have below. You can print it out and then fill it in as we go through the weeks. You can simply check the little line every day so that you know it's done. Maybe add in some notes with your wake-up times or how you felt or whatever you want. For me, I'll just be noting the time I got up and then just check it off that I've done. It'll keep you accountable. Then we're going to tackle everything in 4 stages, adding on like little by little each week until we reach our goal. And each Sunday I'll jump on here, I'll post a little video to let you know what we're adding on. But this week marks the beginning of stage 1. So I know tomorrow for Canadians is a holiday. Woo, Canada Day. So if you decide you want to begin tomorrow, that's great. Tuesday is totally fine. I myself will be doing work weekdays only, which means I'm starting on Tuesday. So number 1, stage 1. we're going to be getting up 5 minutes earlier this week. That's it, 5 minutes earlier. Set your alarm and do it. Personally, I'm thinking this should be easy enough for me to stick to, but maybe it'll be easy because I know I've got you guys holding me accountable. But I think we've got this. So here's just a quick recap. 1, you're going to figure out your why, write it down, and then post it somewhere, but also post it in the comments below so we can all kind of keep ourselves accountable. Number 2, download and use the habit tracker that I posted below as well. It'll be really helpful. And then number 3, on your work days, like if you work on Saturdays and you want like kind of a full work day, then do it then. I'm going to be doing normal weekdays. This week you're going to be getting up 5 minutes earlier. That's it, 5 minutes earlier. Comment below if you have other questions, but I look forward to seeing everybody's big whys. And then stay tuned for next week. We'll be adding on. Let's do this. Bye.